Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with the Sony Linkbuds S. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that combine top-notch sound quality, smart features, and sleek design, then you're in for a treat.
Wait, are you telling me that these earbuds are gonna make me feel like I am at a live concert, but without the sticky floors and the overpriced drinks?
Exactly, Tom. The Sony Linkbuds S are designed to deliver an immersive sound experience, whether you are listening to music, taking calls, or even gaming. And guess what? We have got a product link in the description box down below for the Sony Linkbuds S, along with all the other earbuds we are going to compare it against, where you can find some discounts or at least get more information about these products.
Awesome! I love a good deal as much as I love good sound.
Here's a quick fun fact for you. These earbuds are so smart they can automatically switch between your music and ambient sound based on what you're doing. So whether you are dodging traffic or zoning out on a plane, the Linkbuds S have got your back.
No way! So I don't have to keep fiddling with settings? That's like having a personal DJ who knows exactly what I like.
Exactly, so stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the Sony Linkbuds S. First impressions are really important, right? So when you first unbox the Sony Linkbuds S, you will immediately be impressed by their size. They are Sony's smallest and lightest noise-canceling earbuds, weighing just 4.8 grams per bud.
Wow, so they won't weight my ears down during my intense jam sessions or when I am running away from my responsibilities?
Absolutely not. They are designed to be super comfortable for long-term use. The charging case is also compact and easy to carry around. Now let's dive into the tech specs. The Sony Linkbuds S features Bluetooth 5.2 and they support SBC, AAC, and LDAC audio codecs, which means they can handle high-resolution audio.
SBC, AAC, LDAC. Ben, I'm getting hungry here. Are these new types of sandwiches?
No, Tom. Those are different types of audio codecs. They help in streaming high-quality music wirelessly. The earbuds also have a 5mm dynamic driver, active noise cancellation, and an ambient sound mode. When it comes to performance, the Linkbuds S do not disappoint. The sound is balanced with solid bass, making them great for a variety of music genres. They also have an impressive noise cancelling feature, which is quite effective, especially considering their small size.
So I can block out all the noise while I'm pretending to work, but actually just chilling out with my music.
Exactly, Tom. And if you need to talk to someone, the Speak to Chat feature will pause your music and activate the ambient mode automatically. Now let's look at the pros and cons.
My favorite part, the juicy gossip.
For the pros, they are lightweight, comfortable, and have good sound quality with effective noise cancellation. They also support Sony's LDAC for high-resolution audio and have useful features like Speak to Chat.
And the cons?
They don't support multi-point Bluetooth pairing, so you can't connect them to two devices simultaneously. There is also no wireless charging for the case, and the call quality can suffer in very noisy environments. Let's compare these to some similar products. At the Linkbuds S price point, they compete with the likes of the Beats Fit Pro and the AirPods Pro.
So are they better than those?
It depends. The Beats Fit Pro has sport fans for a more secure fit during workouts and also supports spatial audio, which the Linkbuds S do not. The AirPods Pro offers a slightly better noise cancellation experience and seamless integration with Apple devices. However, the Linkbuds S are smaller and lighter, making them more comfortable for extended use. Finally, let's talk about price to value. The Sony Linkbuds S are priced around $130, which is $100 cheaper than the Sony's flagship WF-1000XM4 earbuds. Given the features and performance they offer, they present a good value, especially if you prioritize comfort and compact size.
So they are like the perfect balance between features and affordability, right?
Exactly, they offer a lot of the high-end features found in more expensive models at a more reasonable price. And don't forget, you can find all of these earbuds links in the description box down below, where I'll add any discounts I could possibly get you.
Well, there you have it, folks. If you're looking for small, powerful, and feature-packed earbuds, the Sony Linkbuds S might just be what you need.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews from Master. See you in the next one.